Hi everybody. Alright, this video here is going to go over how to go about doing a drop-off and a pickup of a merchandiser inside the delivery app. I already showed a video here on how you can do it inside the Office software, but your drivers can do this too on the delivery app. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this one customer here, 3D Metals. Let me see if they have a merchandiser. There's no merchandiser currently assigned to this location. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go and pick this 3D Metals, make delivery. Yep. And now standard delivery, I could do a regular delivery and then start doing a merchandiser drop off on top of that. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a service call right now, meaning this is just an item of doing service at a location rather than delivering product. So I'm going to just go down there and then I'm going to click enter line items. Now it's giving me the option to drop or pick up assets. So I'm going to select it. This time here I'm going to choose to drop off an asset. Now once we do that, it's asking me did I put it inside or outside. I'll say I put it outdoors. I can set a pickup date if I want to. I can use a barcode scanner and scan the barcode on the merchandiser if there is one. Or I can just go ahead and pick the merchandiser from the list, and I can pick one or more. I'm going to add it on, and I'm going to proceed. Now that we got the box in there, I can go and edit it, take it off if I wanted to, but I'm going to hit confirm. Now, the first time you drop off a merchandise location, it's going to force you to put in something in there for maintenance information. So I'm going to just tap on that, and I'm going to say it's not full, and I just dropped it off. And I can note here I can note here that it's NA, that it wasn't rotated, no rotation directions either way or anything like that. I can mark off if I cleaned it, condenser cleaned. I can put in a note about the merchandiser as well. But I'm just going to hit confirm, and I'm just going to go ahead and finish this out. Now, anytime you drop off an asset, the handheld is going to force a signature on the drop off of an asset. And I'm not going to bother with a receipt on this. Okay, so that's done. Now, what about if I had to go pick up the box? So I'm to the same location. I'm just going to go now that that's been done, I can go inside the system here in the customer list, and I can click on this 3D Metals. I'll just do this 3D. Search for it. Okay, here's 3D Metals. You can see right there, there's a box right there. You can see right there, there's a history of all the box movements over there. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go and pick this thing up. So I'm going to just click on 3D Metals again, and I'm going to hit make delivery again, and just say yes, that I'm not at that location. I'm going to again do a service call, and I'm going to click enter line items. Now it's asking me drop pickup, but this time here I'm picking, oops, that's not what I wanted. Doing a pickup. Okay, so there's the only box that's at the location. Again, I can use the barcode scanner, and I apologize that the screen's not updating quick enough. And I'm going to choose to pick it up, add, confirm, next, now receipt. Alright, so that box has been picked up. So looking again, if I do a quick refresh on this customer in the web system, you'll see here that the box has been picked up. Now I mentioned before that I can do a box drop off with a delivery too. So let's do that same 3D Metals. So I'm going to hit make delivery this time. But this time here I'm going to do a delivery. I'm going to add some product. I'm going to say I'm going to drop off 50 block. And again, I can choose enter line items, but see, because I dropped off product, I have the option to do a drop off or pick up of assets. So if you're just doing drop off and pick up of assets, then you're just going to choose a service call. But if you're actually doing a delivery of product, then you can do a drop off of an asset. Again, I'll do a drop off. I'll say I put it inside this time. I'll choose this box. Proceed and confirm. Again, it's going to make me put in some maintenance information. I'll say it's 50% full this time. And I'll say it was fully rotation. Confirm. And again, next. It's asking for the name because I dropped off a box. And no receipt. Now this here is a module about adding images and things like that. That's something that I'm going to show in this video. And go back, and I'm done. So that is merchandise drop off and pick up inside the handheld. There's going to be another video that's going to discuss merchandise drop offs and pickups within a complete order. Okay, so you can actually put it in order and force doing drops and picks of merchandisers inside the handheld, which is very helpful when it comes to orders and boxes that you might be dropping off on a certain one day and have to pick them up. a few days later after a special event. Okay, so again, if anybody has any questions on that, contact Cool Running Software. Thank you.